But the highlight of the Ad Congress 22 and every Ad Congress is the Arrow Awards, which will happen on November 19. And what's game-changing about this year's Arrow Awards? Everything is online. The first phase of judging, even entries, they're all online, they're all available. Just visit www.arrowawards.com. There are also new categories under the Arrow Excellence, Best in Strategy, Best Idea, and Best Performance. The Arrow Awards skip entry form can now be downloaded from the website. Early bird deadline is September 2, and the final deadline is September 12. Our confirmed sponsors, but we still welcome anybody else who wishes to join this fantastic event. We have EPLDT, Philippine Daily Inquirer, TV5, Ginebra San Miguel, Fox Channel and Star World, Manila Bulletin, Philippine Star, Philippine Star, and ABS-CBN. Now, on the special events, if you don't want to get locked up in the plenary listening to all those wonderful speakers, you can also have a good time outside. Before we get to the Ad Congress, we have 4 legs of a golf tournament. And what was recently completed was the one in Riviera Golf and Country Club, where UPNG won as champion. And then the 3rd leg is September 28, and the 4th leg is on November 7. We also have an inter-association badminton tournament. This was also recently held, the elimination round, and then we're moving to the championship on September 17 at the Zone. At Kamsur, we have an amazing quest. And there are several sponsors involved here. Lots of challenges for the delegates, and it's open to all registered delegates. Other fun activities, there's the Dragon Boat Race. Wala akong kinalaman to dun sa Senate hearing. Sana lang to sa Kamsur. Beach volleyball, cycling, ultimate frisbee, water obstacle course, a fun run or a fun walk. So there's 3K, 6K, 9K, and 12K. And I just heard over the table that Caramoan Island, where they shoot Survivor for France, is closed 8 months in a year. And we will try and make this available to Ad Congress delegates so they can have an exclusive look and tour of Caramoan. So, all that for 18,500 registration fees, where you have access to meals, all the parties, the speakers, and you even have a wakeboarding voucher worth 3,000 pesos that's good for 3 months. So a really good deal. It's a better deal for the students. We want them to learn and be part of this industry. 8,500, but they have to find their own meals, which are available all over CWC. So a lot of this you may think is just about digital, but it's not. It's really about changing the game. We are proud, though, of our digital strategies. These include our interactive website. Please visit www.adcongress.com.ph. We now have online registration, online payment, and online hotel booking. It's important that you register individually because your email address is unique to that particular person and will give you access to other benefits in the Ad Congress. So, is that game-changing enough for you? Yes! Ang lungkot naman ng press. Hindi ba kayo natuwa sa pagkain galing kay Miguel Balmonte? Hindi kayo makakakita ng ganitong klaseng pagsasama pagdating sa industriya na magkatabi ang Philippine Star, Philippine Inquirer, Manila Bulletin, Business Mirror, na magkakasama ang TV5, ABS-CBN at GMA7. Dito lang po yan sa Philippine Advertising Industry at sa Ad Congress 22. So see you November 16 to 19, CWC.